Did you know a well-maintained diesel engine can run over 1,000,000 miles? Let's talk about how to get there. Simple daily checks can make a huge difference. Keep an eye on oil levels, coolant, and tire pressure. Dirty fuel or clogged filters quietly hurt engine efficiency. While you can handle some of these yourself, advanced checks like injector or turbo inspections are best left to a professional diesel shop. Trust me, it saves you headaches and big repair bills down the road. Before your next long haul, spend a few minutes checking these basics. It keeps your engine running smoothly and reduces the chance of unexpected breakdowns on the road. Take care of your truck today and it'll keep you rolling for 1,000,000 miles. Keep it healthy, keep it moving.